Rainforest Rescue. Hello, my name is Ben. Hello, my name is Rosie. This is Grandpa. This is Grandpa's van. It's fantastic. Ben, Rosie's brother. Rosie, Ben's sister. Grandpa. Clunk, Grandpa's robot. Alice, Rosie's friend. Now let's read this story. Rainforest Rescue. I'm hungry, says Grandpa. What fruit do we have? We have apples and bananas, says Clunk. Here you are. No, thank you, says Grandpa. I want to eat my favorite fruit today. Rosie is in the kitchen with her friend Alice. What's your favorite fruit, Grandpa? Asks Rosie. Grandpa walks to the door. We can go and find it. Come with me. Can I come too? Asks Ben. In the van, Grandpa says to Clunk, Let's go. Where, Grandpa? Asks Ben. Do you want to go to the store? No, says Grandpa. Clunk starts the van and drives. The van stops in a new place. It's hot here. The children look at the trees and plants. Where are we? Asks Rosie. We're in a rainforest, says Ben. My favorite fruit is a durian, says Grandpa. We can find it in this rainforest. He and the children walk in the rainforest and look for a durian. Grandpa points up. There, he says. I can see some durians in that tree. I can climb up and get some durians, says Ben. Clunk, go up the tree too, please, says Grandpa. Then the girls hear a noise. What's that? Asks Alice. There's a cage next to a tree. And there's an animal in the cage. What's that? Asks Rosie. It's a baby orangutan, says Grandpa. he is angry. Some people take animals from the rainforest. They can sell young orangutans. Grandpa opens a cage. Soon the orangutan is in Alice's arms. "Don't be scared," she says. "He wants his mother," says Rosie. "Baby orangutans live with their mothers for years," says Grandpa. Two men walk out of the trees. "That's our orangutan," shouts the tall man. "Give him to us." "No," says Alice. "You can't take him out of the rainforest. It's his home." The men are angry. "We want that orangutan, and you can't stop us," shouts one man. The two men run at Grandpa and the girls. Then a big durian falls from the tree. It hits the ground close to the man. "What's that?" shouts the tall man. "I can smell it," says his friend. "It smells very bad." Then 2, 3, 4. A lot of durians hit the ground. "Run!" shouts the tall man. In the tree, Ben has a durian in his hand. "We can stop now," he says to Clunk. "But what about the baby orangutan?" asks Alice. Rosie points and says, "Look, the mother orangutan is there." The big orangutan is angry. "She wants her baby," says Grandpa. Rosie is scared. "What can we do?" she asks. Alice knows. She puts the baby orangutan on the ground. "Here," she says to the big orangutan. With her long arms, the mother takes her baby. The orangutan climbs up a tree with her baby. "They're happy now," says Alice. Ben and Clunk climb down from the tree. Here's your fruit, Grandpa, says Ben. Grandpa opens the fruit. Rosie puts her hand on her nose. I can smell it, she says. I love durians, says Grandpa, but they smell very bad.